If you're always in meetings and trying to catch up with notes and action points from your meetings, I've got an answer for you. This is the HiDock P1, and it's a pretty nice AI recorder. Yes, I said AI recorder, I really mean it. AI recorder for you. Yes, I mean you. And the reason I say that is simple because it has helped me personally to improve my workflow as someone, as a DevOps engineer, as a content creator, and as a father, and as someone who is a person of faith. I am a Christian. I go to church. I try to take sermon notes, but the sermon goes faster than my hands can actually put down. So this device right here is here to save the day for me. And I'm going to be walking you through the core features of what I really love about this and what I think will be better about this device right here. As a disclaimer here, I got this with my own money on Kickstarter when it launched on Kickstarter, and it finally got delivered to me last week, and I'm getting to record the video about it today. And I had a whole set of script that's going to sound punchy and all that, but I am ignoring that script today. I'm just going to tell you all this straight from my heart and go through the key points I really want to talk about. I didn't even plan an outline for this, so I'm just going to go spitfire on this video right here. So, key features of this: Blue Catch to pair with your Bluetooth earbuds. Yes, your AirPods, your Boses, and all stuff. Yes, I love my ear. They are really great headsets. I love them. I use them all the day, all the time. But then sometimes I just want to be light. You know, I just want to travel light and use all these nice earbuds like normal people do and not carry headphones like DJ all around. So the Blue Catch technology here enables me to be able to pair my earbuds with the HiDock P1 and use it for my meetings and calls. And from the first usage of this, the experience was seamless. Pairing it up, awesome, and getting it to actually be the item I use for my calls as the speaker and as the microphone is awesome. And the bidirectional noise cancelling right here makes sense. It means I can mute noise from the other side. So if I realize the person on the other side of the call has some noise in the background, I can actually turn that on, and then it cancels the noise from their end. And I can turn on whisper mode here by just, okay, let me actually turn it on here. And I'm going to use that feature now. So it's on right now. And to turn on, to just whisper, all I have to do is press this button right here. And I'm going to say all the nice things I really want to say about the HiDock P1 right now. It has microphones right here to capture my sound. And that is what it's really going to sound like. And I can upload that later on my computer. Check the timestamps, action points. I need to really record good videos later on, but I need to research and go in depth into stuff. That's just the whisper. And I release it, and the whisper is over. When I get to my computer later on, I can offload the recording by plugging it through the USB-C cable that comes with it. And then also, when I'm recording a very long note, say for example, I'm in whisper mode right now, I can tell it to catch a part by checking this mark, and then when it's done, I can tell it to uncatch. It means that bit will be highlighted in the notes that I have set for myself. And when I'm in calls, that also works quite fine. I can also mute myself if I'm in call mode for this one right here, and also pick calls, reject calls. Pretty much, you can use this also to adjust the volume. Those are all the features. There's not so much fuss about this device right here. But what it has done for me today, to be honest, is something I really do love. And the question you might want to ask me, so who could get this? Who should get this for themselves? So if you're someone who is in meetings, who is a trainer, who takes notes a lot, this is really going to help you level up your game. That's just it. This is not AI was this am I. This is going to help you level up your game. When I got it, I was doubting myself if I really would be needing all the features and that sort of, but from the very first impressions and unboxing of this, I really like this. So this video is just first impressions and unboxing really. In the box, you get pretty much everything you need to get. And I'm rambling. I said I don't have notes, so you'll probably figure that out already. You got HiDock itself, the quick start guide, you get the USB-C cable and the metal plate to plug on the back of your computer. And it's pretty much good to go. All you have to do is just get into the iNotes app on the web browser. No app to install on the computer. So for companies who have strict IT policies of no special apps, you can just plug that in, and then it's pretty much ready to go to be used as an audio recording device for your devices. I like that. Put it in your pocket and you're pretty much ready to go and win the day. So for me, it's pretty nice. So I'm going to do a demo of the whisper mode here and what it really looks like, a real whisper mode now. Remind me tomorrow to be able to get things that really work fine. Well, I have no words to really say, really. But recording the video is really pretty nice. But I need to be able to check things that are really cool. Whisper mode over. So when I plug this into my computer, and I go to the HiDock P1 itself. This was the previous video I recorded. I can transcribe all that. It's a long video. The scripted one I tried to record, I didn't really like it, so I ignored that. These are all my whispers. The one I just finished right now, I could transcribe it, transcribe everything, and I can also set up auto transcribing. So whenever I plug the device in, it auto transcribes everything for me, which I think is nice. Currently no earbuds attached. I've demoed that in another section of the video, so you can check that out. It's pretty much fast. The recording, it's doing the transcribing now with AI embedded in it. I think it's pretty super nice, and I can move recordings all over. That is my whisper mode I wanted to show you. So let's just get rolling with it. Now, if you're gonna ask me if I would really recommend this for anyone really, the answer I'm gonna give you is a definite yes. And the reason is this: this has helped me in the short time. I'll mostly be using it for my work calls and getting ideas on the go, because I'm mostly on my work computer anyway, and I am in a lot of meetings. I need to be able to get a hang of things. Start of day meetings, end of day summaries, all of those kind of things are things I really want to use. So if you're a content creator, you're someone who attends meetings, you're someone who's a trainer, I think it just fits the story. This device right here, I think, just fits the story for you. And I'm not going to go ahead and say so much fuss about it. I'm going to do a proper, more detailed video about this, more like a long-term review, maybe 2 months after using this, if this is still really worth your money. But I think for the very first usage I've done with it, for using this for the last couple of hours after unboxing it, I think it's pretty nice. I've gone on a video call with it. I would Google Meet. Sorry about that. I've gone on a video call with Google Meet. I've recorded audio with it straight up. I think it's nice. I've even used this as my, I've used this as my computer microphone to record audio, and it worked pretty nice. Worked just pretty nice. Audio at some point it was clipping because I didn't get the audio center, but for the fact that it has no clumsy setup experience, it makes it shine for me really, and I think that is the most selling point of this device right here. This is a quick review video. I'm not going to go so much and flap around about it. I'm just going to end this video and tell you, if you're really considering this, if the reason you watch this video is because you're considering it, I think this is the device to get. You should get it. It comes under $100. You should go get it, and I think you would really love it. And that's it for this video. I'll see you again in another one. Bye-bye.